it's so boring. I wish we were in Barbados.
Yeah, so boring.
I think we need some magic to make this place fun again.
Yeah, but I lost my magic wand. A little bird stole it.
Oh! Oh! Are you serious?
Yes.
Well, good thing you have that magical voice.
Yeah.
Oh, she's getting ready.
Alright, I think my voice is ready.
Let's do this! Whoa! Fidget spinner!
That was so cool. Can I try? This is boring to me. I think I need to get something different.
What's you have in mind?
Something awesome!
I think what I'm thinking? Slime! Slime!
Slime.
Let me show you guys my slime dance. So goopy and slippery.
No, that's not how you do the slime dance.
Let's just get started. All right, let's do this, Cali.
Yeah. Oh, the heck, carrot?
Yeah, this isn't slime.
What the heck?
Let's try this again.
Yeah.
Maybe I should try the magic voice this time.
Go for it. No, you have to do more, louder.
Okay. You could do the pink and the yellow, and you do the blue and green.
I want to do pink. Just the pink. Oh, it's Nickelodeon slime.
Wow!
We went to Nickelodeon.
Yeah, at the Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see us make our slime, wait for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
And give that thumbs up.
And